Welcome to Gluten-Free Meal Prep for Beginners.
Starting a gluten-free lifestyle can feel overwhelming, but with a little planning, it gets easier. This guide will walk you through the basics of gluten-free meal prep, giving you simple tips to save time, eat well, and avoid gluten. Whether for health reasons or personal choice, you're about to discover how delicious and convenient gluten-free meals can be.
Understanding gluten and reading labels.
Gluten is found in wheat, barley, and rye, and can hide in many processed foods. Always check ingredient lists for hidden sources like malt, soy sauce, and some thickeners. Opt for foods labeled gluten-free whenever possible. Familiarize yourself with naturally gluten-free staples such as rice, potatoes, meats, eggs, dairy, fruits, and most vegetables for a safe foundation.
Building your gluten-free shopping list.
A solid shopping list is the first step in easy meal prep. Stock up on whole foods such as fresh produce, lean proteins, eggs, nuts, seeds, and gluten-free grains like quinoa, brown rice, and certified gluten-free oats. Choose gluten-free pantry basics like canned beans, tomatoes, and broths. And don't forget safe sauces and spices. This makes assembling meals quick and worry-free.
Prep and batch cook simple meals.
Pick a day each week to prepare your meals in advance. Chop vegetables, cook grains, and portion protein so they're ready to use. Prepare large batches of gluten-free dishes like chili, stir-fry, or roasted vegetables. Store meals in airtight containers and label them clearly. Batch cooking helps you stay on track, reduce stress, and makes gluten-free eating both affordable and convenient.
Tips for staying healthy and motivated.
Balance is key in a gluten-free diet. Include a variety of colorful vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains in your weekly plan. Don't skip snacks. Try yogurt with berries or rice cakes with nut butter. Stay hydrated and prioritize sleep as part of your overall wellness. Remember, a little planning now leads to greater health and confidence on your gluten-free journey.